Hi, I'm Shan from the Waterside Holiday Group, and today we are here at Bowleaze Cove Holiday Park and Spa. I wanted to share this lovely Swift Bordeaux 38 by 12 3-bedroom with this really nice size decking that I want to show you first. The first thing that you notice about this holiday home and pitch is that you have this massive decking. This is 7 feet wide and 16 feet long. A really great space for outdoor furniture, spending time having breakfast, evening meals, anything you like, somewhere to relax outside of the holiday home. The first thing you are greeted with is the freestanding dining table and chairs, and also this outlook straight away, and you can see how modern and how nice the colors are. One thing you can see in this kitchen, you have ample storage. You've got 3 large drawers. You've got these extra cupboards. There is an option of a dishwasher on the left-hand side, and you've got loads of overhead storage as well. Built-in microwave, oven, grill, and a nice hob. Into the lounge, you have 2 freestanding sofas, one of which is a pull-out sofa bed, so this holiday home does sleep 6. You've got these large windows bringing in plenty of light. This is such a nice light holiday home. More storage by your electric fireplace, perfect spot to put your TV. You have a mirror and you have the option of having the TV on the wall if you decided. Before taking you to the back of the holiday home, one thing you can see here, just as you walk in, you have really nice storage and your boiler, and you also have a full-size integrated fridge freezer. As you come into the back, the first thing you notice are some coat hangers and also the first door on your right, which is the master bathroom. You have your large shower, toilet and wash hand basin. And the first door on your left, you have your twin room. Great wardrobe, full length, as well as overhead storage. And the second door on your left is your second bedroom. Brilliant for younger children, and you can still see you've got plenty of storage. And the final room, look at the size of this double. You've got the full width of the whole holiday home. You've got so much space for you to get ready, and amazing amount of space, wardrobes and drawers. And to top it off, you've got a bed that lifts up, giving you more storage and your own ensuite toilet. So if you would like to come and visit the park, come and look at this holiday home on this pitch, give us a call on 01305 836 836 or click the link below.